Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a perfect skin tone for your smudge picture. Not every time you get a nice skin tone after applying color on our picture, but there's a way to amend that, and it's a very simple step. You just have to make use of our UU and saturations. So how are we going to do that? We're just going to go to our curve adjustment layer over here, look for our hue and saturations, click on it. The color we are changing here is just the reddish color, which is the skin color. So we are going to remove it from our master. If you have to use our master to reduce the red, it's not going to affect the red alone, it's going to affect all the color, both the blue, the cyan, and also some other colors there. So we are going to go to our red, click on the red. We're going to reduce the saturation, reduce it. You can see it's a whole lot better now, and the image is looking somehow dark. We're going to go back to our cover adjustment layer again. Click on our brightness. I'm going to increase the brightness a little bit. As you can see right now, our picture is a whole lot better. So let's turn off our two layer we just worked on now. As you can see, there are a lot of difference there. So don't get discouraged when you have a bad skin tone. After applying colors on your picture, you can easily amend that by using your hue and saturation, and also if your picture is not that bright, you can also change the brightness using your brightness under our cover adjustment layer over here. So in the next video I'm going to be dropping tips on errors we make in smudge painting. It's not going to be more than 3-4 minutes long, but you guys can learn a thing or two from that. If you learned something from this particular video today, kindly leave a thumbs up for me, and also if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so right now by clicking on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys.